everyone. Today, we're diving into how you can get My AI on Snapchat and utilize this trending feature. Exciting news for Snapchat users. Snapchat recently made My AI accessible for everyone. Gone are the days when this was exclusive to Snapchat Plus subscribers. Accessing My AI. To get started with My AI, open Snapchat. Swipe left to access your chat. At the top, spot the My AI option. The first time you tap it, Snapchat will notify you that it's an experimental chatbot. Go ahead, accept, and start exploring its functionalities. Don't see My AI in your chat section? Let's troubleshoot. Make sure you've updated Snapchat. Then close the app. After that, go to your App Store for iOS user or Play Store if Android users. Search for Snapchat and see if an update option is available. If updating doesn't work, try uninstalling Snapchat and reinstall it. If all fails, that's possible that the feature hasn't been rolled out to your region yet. Snapchat has been introducing My AI in phases. Just be patient and it'll arrive soon. Then there you have it, your guide to enabling and exploring My AI on Snapchat. If you have queries, drop them in the comments. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye bye!